How to install and use mods or custom content in Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. There are various ways to do it. The very first one would be exploring the Roblox studio. For this, you'll have to create and edit a game that you have opened in your Roblox studio. You can add custom assets by the help of Toolbox to find and import models, textures, or scripts. You can also upload your own assets. This is one way to do so. Second is using community created contents. For this, you'll have to go to the Roblox marketplace. You have to search for custom assets, integrate assets into your game, and you're good to go. Likewise, you can customize your avatar, browse and select custom items, and apply the changes. Another better way would be utilizing plugins for Roblox Studio. For this, you'll have to launch Roblox Studio. In the toolbar, you have to select on plugin and install the plugins required. However, be cautious of all the third-party tools. Refrain from using such tools that might compromise your security and enhance your Roblox violation to terms of service. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.